Good morning. We are in sunny Farsley, my home village. I love it. Some new builds down on the country lane coming out of the village. Quite nice actually. Quite nice in here. And as it turns out, it's with a lad who we used to go to school with. But I didn't know. His wife got in touch with me. Arranged it for about a week to come down, and she had something on, I had something on. Walking through the living room, and he's on a call. He's on a call to with work or whatever. And it's like, what are you doing here? It's like 20 odd years or something, 20 years ago. So yeah, it's all fun. It's all fun. Catching up. But he's got the best cup in the world. Vietnam Cup. It's probably backwards. I've got it on reverse screen. It's probably backwards, is that? So my old man used to live out in Thailand for about 10 years. And he always went to Vietnam. He loved it. Absolutely loved it. That was like his holiday, his getaway sort of thing. But yeah, I'd love to go out there. So Vietnam now, because Thailand then were cheap as hell. They were renting a one-bedroom bungalow, communal pool, with a shared swimming pool, £95 a month. Stupid. That were in Thailand, in Chiang Mai. But now, Thailand's got really expensive compared to what it was. It's still not expensive, but it is compared to what it was. So now Vietnam's the place to go. So I'm hoping, not hoping, but I think he will. He'll end up retiring to Vietnam. I hope he does. It's where he's happy, innit? Better than here. But yeah, let's get some hedges down. See how fast I can do these hedges. I think there's 4 of them, I think, if that. Yeah, let's have a look. So we are taking all the plants out all the way up. I love aces. I just said to him, I said, keep that acer. So we have got from, not this bit here, this bit here. We're going to wood bark it where red line is and round. And then all this wood, we're making a climbing frame for kids. So we're going to level it, as you can see, it climbs up. We're going to level it out, sleeper wall, comes round to this wall round here, so it's a fence behind there, and then just wood back it. Nice and easy. Something for kids in it. New builds again on a slope. Just the way they build them, innit? Just the way they do it. Yeah, nice few days. Should be done Friday, I think. Nice few days on this. I'll take my good. That looks loads better. So that's 4 metres that way, 4 metres that way. It's not too bad actually. So we're going to have like a 200mm step, which is 1 sleeper. So I thought it would be more, I thought it would be 300 or 400, but yeah, it's worked out alright. Lovely cable, just there, leading to extension to plug. So tomorrow I'm just gonna put this sleeper on here and get it proper ready. Get rid of that brash, get it proper ready, and then Friday I can crack on. Only reason why I'm only doing that tomorrow is because I'm on my own. Tom's getting another tattoo, continuation of his tattoo. So yeah, it'll be about £1,000 down this week, which we love. You know how much I spent on tattoos this week? 0. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, see you morning. Might have a shave tomorrow. See you morning. Good morning. So I've whipped these in fast as I could this morning. Actually working on my own, like I say. Yeah, they went in alright. That was a bit of a bummer. Bit of joinery going on there. All angles everywhere. Worked out nice. Yeah, I've just got my wood back, so I'm going to clear this area up, and I am going to wood back it this afternoon, and then tomorrow building the climbing frame, which should be an absolute joy. So yeah, nice and easy today. Right, I've flown it in. Look at it, look how good, look how fast I've worked today on my own. Anyway, looks good from up here. Compared to what it looked like before, from up here, just looks a massive area without them conifers in. Yeah, looks good. Just need to tidy up there and then I'm done, I'm off home. So with that garden, we've obviously wood barked it and whatnot for a climbing frame. But it's weird, isn't it, that you want this house, but then when you get into a garden, you're like, whoa, what shall I do with it? But it's all about your kids, innit, to start with. So they were on about, they want, like this climbing frame is 5-year-old as their little one. So it's only going to last a few years, then they won't want to play it. They want a football net, so they'll probably put it into turf. And then when he's finally grown up and becomes a teenager, eventually, it sounds like ages away, but mine are teenagers already. They're going to put the patio, they're going to extend the patio across the bottom of the garden. And then they can like get the hot tub and do whatever adults do. Start having an adult garden rather than kids like just running around like nutters, don't they, when they're young. But ours is getting that way now. We've got astroturf in our garden, and now I'm looking at like log burner with like a pergola with a roof, but really fancy, really nice, like all nice timber and whatnot. But yeah, we've got to that stage now where we can change our garden and have really nice porcelain and have this and that and this and all lights and stuff. But to say he's in my year at school, they're only just getting to the start, you know what I mean? So seems ages away, but yes, thank you for watching once again, and I will see you next week. Got a couple of days off next week as well, so I think we're in on Monday, and then I think we're in on Thursday, Friday. We're having Tuesday, Wednesday off work, so stuff to do. So yeah, have a good weekend, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.